when we're looking at absolute versus comparative advantage, we have to keep in mind the difference between the two. Absolute advantage means I can make more of something than somebody else, versus comparative advantage where we're looking at the relative cost in terms of opportunity cost. So if we're looking at how many cars can be washed, we can see that Jay can wash more cars than Leah in a given day. So Jay has the absolute advantage in washing cars. When it comes to mowing lawns, we can see that Jay can mow more lawns than Leah in a given day. 5 is more than 3. So Jay has the absolute advantage in lawns as well. That doesn't mean that Jay should do both. In fact, he should only do one, and that's based on comparative advantage. And so when we're looking at the opportunity cost of producing cars, we can make a new graph. We'd say cars and lawns, Jay and Leah. When it comes to cars, Jay is going to give up 5 lawns per 20 cars. He's given up 5 lawns in order to produce his 20 cars. For Leah, when it comes to cars, she's going to give up 3 lawns per 15 cars. And then we know that the opportunity cost for lawns is going to be the inverse of that. So for Jay, that's 20 cars per 5 lawns. And for Leah, it's 15 cars per 3 lawns. And so we can kind of simplify some of these. We can say for Jay, he's basically got 1/4 and 4. And for Leah, she's got 1/5 and 5. When it comes to making cars, Leah has the lower cost because 1/5 is less than 1/4. So Leah has the comparative advantage in washing cars, whereas Jay is able to mow lawns at a lower cost. He's only giving up 4 cars per lawn versus Leah's 5. So Jay can produce lawns at a lower cost, and he has the comparative advantage then in mowing lawns.